It was a drizzly Tuesday. Wait, that's not right. Today's Sunday. It is really rainy outside. We had a lot of plans for today. Christian and I were gonna go over to SeaWorld and see Jack Hanna, but it's really rainy out. It's not even just raining out, but as Christian would say,
it's Wednesday.
It's not Wednesday.
It was cold today.
It was cold today.
Yep. So not only is a 100% chance of rain all day today, it's also supposed to be like 60 degrees or lower today. So it's really good catch a cold weather today, and so we just didn't want to head out into that and end up not being able to take you guys on more adventures because we were sick. Other plans we had today is we were going to go over to Magic Kingdom to see some more of the long lost friends. But with it raining like this, we're not sure if the long lost friends were going to be out. So it's kind of just a like stay at home, laze around sort of day. You guys will notice that our lanterns that sit at our front door in the house, the reasoning behind that is if it does happen to get windy today, we don't want our lanterns to fall over. The tops of them are really loose, and then sometimes when we come home, they get knocked over, and then the tops of them are sitting in our front yard. So we don't want to lose pieces of our lanterns because they're really cool. We really like them. But let's go take a look at the rain out back. Let's go. It's so dark in here. There's the pirate ship. It's almost done. Oh, let me out. See, it's just really drizzly today, and it's been like that all day. So like I said, we just want to head out and oh look, we're getting flowers. I see flowers. So we just want to head out into that today, because we didn't want to end up sick, and like I said, we didn't want to miss out on any adventures. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I am going to show you guys some of the old footage that we have caught going around here and there. One of the things I really wanted to show you guys, but we ended with like the holiday season, is the Joyous Singers. They're at Epcot, so I'll throw that video in for you. And then there were a few other things, just small things that I wanted to show you guys, but I just didn't get a chance. So I hope you enjoy today's video. For us, what we're going to do is, like I said, it's a real lazy day. We are going to play, Christian and I play video games, and then later on we'll watch a couple of movies or TV together, and that's our plan for today. So, I'll catch you guys after the videos. So, these are our pets that live in our neighborhood. Sometimes they make loud noises. They're sandhill cranes. They won't do it for me now.
They had to do it when Christian was on the phone.
Yep.
They are after something.
The gentleman 2 doors down actually feeds them and waters them. Just like SeaWorld waters the dolphins.
True, I saw the whole thing.
Hi, neighbors.
I wonder how close I can get to them without dying.
Good luck.
Oh, dear.
Come on, Christina, I don't want to let you further.
We gotta knock these molehills down. Our HOA states that we have to knock these molehills down. So we have to come out here and do this every once in a while, because it seems that the moles bounce from our from house to house. Even though we have these doohickeys, and we showed you before, the sonar things. Good news is it gives us plenty of dirt. They were a little mad because I started leaf blowing this.
Here's another song in celebration of Kwanzaa. Love Train. Love Train. Join hands. Start a love train. Join hands. Start a love train. Hey.
Tell all the folks over in Africa. Tell all the folks in Egypt and Israel too. Don't you miss the train at the station. 'Cause if you miss it, I feel sorry, sorry for you. Join in, start a love train. Yeah, people, join in, start a love train. Let it Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our joyful Buffalo. Now let's keep those hands going as we give it up for the hottest band in the land. We call him Joy. All right, let's keep those hands going and make some noise for our special guest, concert dancers and percussion. Thank you for joining us for our Kwanzaa celebration. Enjoy your time here at Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. And remember, in the spirit of the principles of Kwanzaa, spread joy.
Be the bad mouse skinny, she's the horses. It's my little mini mouse. And it's feeding to other animals. And they draw their down with their nose. And shut my ears. And now sings and hear me sing this song. Oh, the old top cat with the meow. The old hound dog with his bow wow wow. The crow and the mule. Gosh, I'm acting like an old man song. All the cows and the chickens, they all sound like the dickens. Oh my God, little mini. Yoo-hoo!
That was very good.
Song we wrote ourselves by Irving Berlin. And it's a little barbershop ballad called She Was Just a Moonshiner's Daughter, but I Loved Her Still.
Next time we might not.
One of my favorites. It's a beautiful ballad titled You Can Lead a Horse to Water, but a pencil must be lead. Yeah. I know what I think we should just go ahead and sing these folks their favorite song. Which one is that? The last one. Finish off with yours, folks. There's a place I'd like to be, and it's back in Tennessee, where you're friendly and smile and say hello. It's a pleasure and a treat to be handed down the street. That's why I wrote to go to
Harold, I told you it was a long way to the water. Listen here, Susan. I'm trying my best.
Oh dear.
No, turtles.
Oh no.
Actually, tortoise.
Listen to the last people that were here. Yeah.
So that is it for us. I hope you guys liked all that extra footage. Sorry it took us so long to get it to you. But I really hope that you guys enjoy. It is still very rainy and cold outside, so we are going to go off and watch out for free range grandmas. Bye guys.